Welcome to a visual journey through the breathtaking scenery of Panama, a country where the north meets the south, where the mighty Pacific Ocean greets the tranquil Caribbean Sea. Panama, the bridge of the world, the heart of the universe. A land celebrated for its world-renowned canal, but there's so much more to explore. Imagine pristine beaches where turquoise waters kiss the golden sands, where the sun sets in a blaze of colors. Picture towering mountains shrouded in mist, their peaks offering views that seem to stretch into eternity. Envision lush forests teeming with life, a testament to our planet's incredible biodiversity. And don't forget the vibrant urban landscapes where modernity and history dance a beautiful tango. This is Panama, a paradise for those who love to feast their eyes on nature's splendor and urban charm alike. Hold on tight as we embark on this picturesque journey through Panama. Dive into the turquoise waters of Bocas del Toro. This is a place where the Caribbean Sea meets the lush Panamanian rainforest, creating a symphony of colors that captivates the senses. The beaches of Bocas del Toro are a sight to behold. Imagine stretches of golden sand softly caressed by waves of crystal-clear water sparkling under the tropical sun. You'll find yourself mesmerized by the rhythmic dance of the waves, lapping gently against the shore. And beneath the surface, a vibrant world of marine life awaits. Coral reefs teem with an array of tropical fish, their bright colors darting between the nooks and crannies of the underwater landscape. But the beauty of Bocas del Toro isn't confined to its beaches. Look around and you'll see a panorama of lush greenery, where the rainforest kisses the coastline. It's a sight that serves as a gentle reminder of nature's incredible ability to coexist in harmony. Venture further inland and you'll discover a unique aspect of this region: its colorful Caribbean-style houses. Painted in a rainbow of hues, these wooden structures are a testament to the region's vibrant culture and history. They stand on stilts, a distinctive architectural feature designed to withstand the seasonal floods. And then there's the laid-back lifestyle. Here, life moves at a slower pace. It's a place where you can kick off your shoes, feel the sand between your toes, and simply let the world pass by. Whether you're swinging in a hammock or sipping on a fresh coconut, the tranquility you'll experience is something truly special. But perhaps the most enchanting aspect of Bocas del Toro is its sense of community. It's a place where locals greet you with warm smiles, where the rhythm of reggae music filters through the air, and where every day feels like a celebration of life. Bocas del Toro, a tropical paradise that leaves every visitor yearning for more. So why not take a plunge into its turquoise waters, soak up its vibrant culture, and let the rhythm of island life take over your soul? After all, isn't that what travel is all about? Ascend to the refreshing mountains of Boquete. Let's take a journey to the highland town of Boquete, nestled within the folds of Panama's verdant mountainscape. This charming town is a haven for those seeking respite from the tropical heat, graced with a cool climate that caresses your senses and leaves you refreshed. Boquete is renowned for its breathtaking beauty, a painter's palette of lush greenery that stretches as far as the eye can see. It's one of those rare places where nature has been generous, bestowing it with a tapestry of colors that change with the seasons. And amidst this riot of green, you'll find some of the most exquisite coffee plantations in the world. The rich volcanic soil here gives birth to coffee beans that are as flavorful as the scenery is beautiful. But the allure of Boquete extends beyond its coffee. The town is crisscrossed with hiking trails that lead you into the heart of its natural beauty. As you trek through the verdant landscape, you'll be treated to views that seem plucked from a dream: majestic mountains cloaked in emerald green, valleys that spread out like a quilted tapestry, and rivers that glisten in the sunlight. Every turn offers a new spectacle, a fresh perspective, a moment that takes your breath away. And let's not forget the wildlife. Boquete is home to an array of creatures that add to its charm. But the star of this natural show is undoubtedly the resplendent quetzal. This rare bird with its vibrant plumage and melodious song is a sight to behold. Spotting one amidst the foliage is a moment of pure magic, a testament to the unspoiled beauty of Boquete. In Boquete you can feel the pulse of nature, hear its whispers, and lose yourself in its grandeur. It's a place where the mountains speak to you, the rivers sing to you, and the wind carries stories of a land shaped by time and nature. Boquete, where the mountains whisper the tales of nature's grandeur. Step back in time in the historic neighborhood of Casco, Viejo. This vibrant corner of Panama City is a stunning display of colonial-era charm, where every turn is a nod to a bygone era, yet it pulsates with the heartbeat of the modern world. Imagine strolling down narrow cobblestone streets where the past and present live side by side. Here, grand colonial buildings, once the homes of Spanish conquistadors, rub shoulders with trendy boutiques and hip cafes. These time-honored structures, now lovingly restored, stand as silent witnesses to the city's transformation over centuries. Their weathered facades whisper tales of a time when Panama was a crucial link in the world's most important trade route. But Casco Viejo is not just about the past. It's a place where history is alive and kicking. The neighborhood is a tapestry of vibrant colors and eclectic architectural styles, a testament to the cultural melting pot that Panama has always been. From Spanish colonial to French and Antillean influences, each building is a chapter in the architectural anthology of this city. As the sun dips below the horizon, Casco Viejo transitions from a historic relic to a hotspot of Panama City's nightlife. The air fills with the tantalizing aroma from sidewalk cafes, the laughter from bustling bars, and the rhythmic beats from nightclubs. It's a place where locals and visitors alike come to revel in the infectious energy that permeates the streets. But perhaps the most significant charm of Casco Viejo is its cultural importance. Declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site, it's a living, breathing testament to Panama's rich history. The neighborhood is home to iconic landmarks, like the Metropolitan Cathedral and the Presidential Palace, which continue to play vital roles in the country's cultural and political landscape. Casco Viejo, a place where history and modernity blend seamlessly. A place that invites you to wander its streets, soak in its vibrant atmosphere, and immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of its past. Truly, it's a corner of Panama that will leave an indelible imprint on your memory. Immerse yourself in the lush wilderness of Soberania National Park. A haven of biodiversity nestled right in the heart of Panama, Soberania is not just a park, but a world teeming with life. Spanning over 55,000 hectares of rainforest, it's a realm where the verdant canopy sings with the music of life, day and night. Threaded through this lush rainforest is the iconic Panama Canal, a man-made marvel cutting its path through nature's masterpiece. It's a sight that shows us how human ingenuity and nature's grandeur can coexist, creating a unique blend of history and wilderness. But what truly sets Soberania apart is its extraordinary biodiversity. Home to over 500 species of birds, it's a paradise for birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts alike. From the vibrant plumage of the blue cotinga to the elusive harpy eagle, every corner of the park is a new discovery. In fact, the famous Pipeline Road meanders through the park, known worldwide for its birdwatching opportunities. This 17-kilometer trail offers an unmatched chance to witness the park's avian life up close. As you walk the trail, the forest comes alive with the fluttering of wings and the call of the wild. But it's not just about birds. Soberania's biodiversity extends to its rich flora and numerous other wildlife species. With towering trees, vibrant flowers, and an array of mammals, reptiles, and amphibians, it's a microcosm of life in all its forms. The park is also a testament to Panama's commitment to conservation. By protecting this vast expanse of wilderness, Panama is not only preserving its natural heritage but also contributing to global efforts to conserve our planet's biodiversity. So whether you're a seasoned birder, a nature enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates the beauty of the natural world, Soberania National Park offers an experience like no other. It's a place where you can disconnect from the hustle and bustle of everyday life and reconnect with nature in its purest form. Soberania National Park, a testament to Panama's commitment to conserving its natural beauty. Panama, a country that captivates with its scenic wonders. We've journeyed through the vibrant beaches of Bocas del Toro, where the azure waves kiss the golden sands. We've explored the majestic mountains of Boquete, standing as silent sentinels shrouded in the mystery of the clouds. We've walked the charming cobblestone streets of historic Casco Viejo, a testament to Panama's rich past. And we've marveled at the astounding biodiversity of Soberania National Park, a paradise for nature lovers. This journey through Panama's sceneries, each unique and awe-inspiring in its own right, has been nothing short of spectacular. But the world is vast, filled with countless landscapes waiting to be discovered. Now it's your turn to tell us which area of the world would you like us to cover next. Please comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring more beautiful places to you.